Did he ever explain to you how he came to his Zionist beliefs? I mean,
You know, I think it was in Mother's Milk. I have to tell you, there was that impulse in that family. His older brother, as I say, went to Palestine. He was very involved in either the Poilitzian or the Tziritzian. I can't remember at this point which of the Tzions, but it was of the left. He was involved with. It was just there. My growing up, it was just there all the time. And the Zion, I mean, I still have today hanging in our house that I took from my parents' house, a wonderful portrait of Theodor Herzl on linen. And it's the first thing I remember as growing up was that picture of Theodor Herzl with Im Tutsu ein Sorge. You know, if you will it, it is no dream. Famous picture of him. It was constant. It was all around us. You know, devotion to Yiddish literature, the language, and so on. But at the same time, this impulse towards Jewish independence and a national homeland.